Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In today's video, we are again gonna learn some really awesome drawings of cartoons and stuff. Starting off with the first drawing, we can learn by the video how to draw a cute boy who has small hairs, big shiny eyes, big eyebrows. Moving on to the next one of today's video, as we can see we are drawing a house which has two windows in front of it and a big gate, and on the top of it it is shaped like a mushroom, you can see. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make a hand of a girl who is pointing a finger out, which is the index finger, and the thumb, which you can see is making a heart. Moving on to the next one of today's video, it is a drawing which is a really beautiful. Start by making the sun, and then we'll make some coconut trees on the side of them, and then we'll make the mountains behind the coconut trees, and then we'll make a car which is being driven on the road, and then we'll make some water. Moving on to the next one of today's video, which is also a really easy and beautiful drawing which can be easily made by kids, and it is a really good one by which kids can learn with. We will first start by drawing the school dress, and it is completed. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make our kids' favorite cartoon, one and only the Dora, the Explorer. We will first draw her face and the hairs, which are small or cute, and then her body and a bag which she always wears. She's looking so cute in the drawing, as you can see. Moving on to the next one of today's video, as you can see we are making an eye on which a reflection of star is there in the eye and a dot. We'll continue the steps as follows, and the eyes has big eyelashes, and then we'll make the eyebrows for the beautiful eye. Moving on to the next one of today's video, as you can see we are drawing the beautiful structures of the dress of a lady and the legs of her. Moving on to the next one of today's video, which is again a hand. We will draw the fingers and the palm of the hand, and then we will place a rose in the hand which she is holding. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we will again learn how to make a hand who is trying to make a figure with his fingers. It is a really beautiful hand with some textures on it. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we'll learn how to make a cute cartoon, as you can see in the video, who has very big hairs, is sipping a juice. Thank you for watching the video.